Now we're going to discuss how to enter slopes into the laser. Quick overview on slope. All slope is rise over run times 100, and that will give you a percentage of slope. So for example, in this case, we'll say our apron is 60 feet long, that would be our run, and it falls 6/10 in that 60 feet. And that information you would find on the print for the job you're working on. But just in this scenario, it rises or falls 6/10 away from the building in the 60 feet that it comes out from the building. So our rise is 6/10, our run is 60 feet. So if you take 6/10 divided by 60, that will give you 0.01. And if you multiply that times 100, that will give you 1. And that is the percentage that you will enter into the laser. So we've determined our percentage of fall. We've aligned the laser with the building that we're grading up against, and our apron is coming out this way. We decided that it was falling 6/10 in 60 feet. So the 60 feet is going out that way, our building's over there, and the fall is going that way. So now we need to determine on our laser which screen we need to be using. If we want fall going that way, we want it falling this way, so we need to be using this axis. This laser operates as positive fall to the point. Positive fall to the point would be this way. We don't want it falling towards the building, so we want it like this, so that would be a negative. We would need to enter a negative percentage in the bottom screen to achieve fall going that way. And we do that by using the two up-down arrows in that screen. Each screen has two individual arrows for itself. So I'm going to go down, and if you'll watch the laser beam itself on the wall, you should be able to see it moving. So I've entered a negative slope in the laser. It's stopped now and it's moving. And you can see now that that rotor is slightly cocked this way. So now when we're grading with our dozer, there's going to be fall this way. It's aligned with the building, it knows where the building is, and there's going to be fall coming out away from the building. Watch what happens when I make that a positive 1%. You should see the beam leveling out there on the wall. Oh, too far. Now we have a positive slope, positive fall to the point, this being the point. So now we've got fall going back towards our building, which is not what we want. So when you're setting this up, you need to make sure that you know whether you need positive or negative fall. That will be determined by which way the triangle is facing.